guys, I'm playing Animal Company, and I'm about to get all of this. Where are they? Where's the mimics? Where's this kind of mimic? Sorry. I'm just looking for a mimic to kill so I can get the rest of the body. I just don't know where they are. Missed. Stupid. Where are they? Wait, when before the update, there's always a huge boulder. Look for the huge boulder. I keep standing right there. That's a huge boulder I keep standing on. I keep standing up here so I can survive. The new mimics places. No way they're over here. Don't tell me they're in there either. I bought guns and stuff. I'm just gonna. I'm not wasting my money. I'm just gonna kill that giant thing. What does the giant have? Ooh, chicken. Not really a shotgun, really. Well, I guess I just take the egg. Bye, I don't care about you anyway. Never do it. I never will. Where's the giant at? It's gotta be spawning somewhere. There you are. Gotta go somewhere. Gotta go somewhere. That was kind of easy. I just gotta do one shot. Flash flipping brain. Alright. You just got flashbang. How the heck did... A flipping hard gun? That's actually good. That's it in there. Go right there. Alright, please, there's 3 people, well, 4 people, because,
Nah, wait, is that you, Golden Wombat, or is that Fatal? Oh, Golden Wombat, why do you keep on? Oh my god! You nearly killed me. Golden, you almost killed me. That's not funny. You almost killed me. I miss that kind of misery, that kind where you were. Who the heck are you?
what's up?
You my friend?
Yeah, I'm Laginator.
What's up, bro? What's up? Okay,
Alright,
I add you. No, I'm joking, ban you. No, I'm joking. I add White.
So, I've been looking for people to
Right.
do stuff with me. Hi.
I miss that
a
kind
3
of misery,
actually-
the kind where you were supposed to be friend.
1, 2, 3.
White.
Yeah. Yeah.
White.
Yeah.
No. What do you mean by white? White. I miss that kind of misery, the kind where you were nice to me and only
Anyway, it's like it's a hunt man, like a 3-man hunt. Let's see, how many people is in here? 1, 2.
Let me see. Mr. Good, where the hell you at? Everybody's a member here. Hey.
Alright. I wanna do a manhunt. Right. But I wanna run away. I never done that before.
Guys, White wants to do a manhunt and he wants to run away.
Alright. All y'all get one thing, and that is a sword. A sword.
Yeah, we're gonna get crazy. Yeah.
Only an alpha sword.
I don't have an alpha sword.
There's an alpha sword.
Wait, what's an alpha sword? Hold on.
This.
Oh. Everybody get an alpha sword, bro. We're gonna manhunt this white man.
nothing else except a.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm down.
Better go a mayhem for what? I just
Dude, this is like the. Are y'all fans?
No
Are y'all
weapons
fans? If
except
y'all
the
aren't
alpha
fans-
sword.
If y'all aren't fans of my YouTube channel, go leave right now before
Hey yo,
I
bro.
actually-
Hey yo, monkey. Hey yo, monkey.
What are you doing here?
I'm in the
You
code.
run.
Alright,
Run, rabbit.
hold on, hold on, hold on.
Why the hell is
Run,
there so much
rabbit.
people?
Run, rabbit. Run.
Wrong game.
Oh, I'm
Don't
the
clap.
monkey's friend.
Wrong
I'm
game.
the
You wanna
monkey's
do a
friend.
Alright, listen.
I'll do a movie.
No
I'll do a movie.
weapons except the alpha sword and the hook shot. That's
Why?
it.
I don't have an alpha
Run,
sword.
rabbit.
I don't have
Here.
an rabbit.
What if you have a yeet blade?
No, just
What the hell?
an alpha sword.
Run, rabbit.
Alright.
Run, rabbit. Run, rabbit.
Alright, y'all
You good?
right here. Y'all right here.
Start.
Y'all right here. Y'all right here. Alright? I stand right here.
Oh, we're fathers. He's about to get banned.
Y'all all right there. Y'all all right there. Oh. Of course. Yep, my game crashed.
Man, boy.
You gotta be kidding me. Alright. Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Hello?
Someone joined.
Yes, me, Wagonator.
No, let's go. Someone joined. Go back to spawn.
Someone join.
Okay.
It's me, Wagonator.
Yeah, bro, who are you?
Wagonator,
Where are you?
Wagonator.
You
Wagonator.
need a block. We're doing a movie. Do you want to join?
Sure.
Bet. Okay, so
We
we really have no plot yet. What do you guys want the plot to be? Because like we really got no plot. We're just doing whatever.
I'll come right back.
I need your guys.
I don't know.
Yeah, bro, where are you at?
Bro, we thought you left like that other guy did. He
I'm right here.
He needs batteries for his controllers. Wait, how about? Oh, wait! Please, can he be like a villain? You have the perfect fit. Literally the best fit for one, bro. You have to be, bro.
Alright, I will. Yeah.
But wait, can you get the corrupted arms? Like turn them corrupted?
Oh, okay. What else? Just the one arm?
Yeah, that 2 arms, both of them.
I don't have the other hand. I don't have the other hand yet.
Oh, that's fine. Then use the. Oh, that's fine. Just use one then.
Then do you want me to
get
And
one?
who is this guy? Okay, hold up, hold up.
So I could be in a movie ones.
Come across like someone that's evil and so he's right there, by the way. Yo, wait, that's
Yo, do I'm gonna get rid of my glitched arms then, since he has it.
yeah, you should get rid of them.
No, I'm gonna. Okay.
Yeah, I have a quick question.
Do we need to turn into these? Do we need to
I
turn
have a quick
into
question
these?
for all y'all. Do y'all know where the sun fighter is?
Do we need to turn into
No. But that was just there for.
Does anyone know where the sun fighter
There's
is?
nothing to do with this though. Oh, what? I'm joking. Forgot this was the collection thing. I'm surprised that's still there. Here, actually, hold on. Let me put it somewhere. No, let's just throw it away.
Do y'all know where the sun fighter
Don't throw
is?
it away. It's a twin collection. It's a twin
Do y'all know where the
collection.
sun fighter is?
It's my
Where's
twin
your shepherd
collection.
at? Yo, German!
Where's the German Shepherd? Sorry, I'm getting on my.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Yo, German.
Never mind.
Okay.
I did not mean to turn into this. How do I get rid of it? Hold any button to self-destruct. Well, I go fast? Oh. Hey guys, I have a quick question. How do you get rid of this? I can't get out of this little tiny machine. Oh, that's how. Yeah, I'm never going to do that.
This one? And the other one, the other one. Oh, yeah, that one. Alright. Yeah.
Follow me. Oh, what the? Yo, he's dead. He died.
Whoa.
Yo, he's back!
I keep turning into a
Wait,
robot.
you could be like a villain scientist.
How you,
And then you can be like his friend. Which helps him destroy the world. Me? If you want.
Maybe, yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, okay, so you're like his assistant.
Let me change my color. Or something like
I have a quick question for each one of y'all. Do y'all know where the sun fighter is?
No.
No.
No. Oh, that's fine. Oh wait,
Bow down to the
Alright, yeah, come on.
king.
Let's go. Come on.
Okay.
So the scene is gonna. So instead of going back to space, we're gonna like pretend we just got back from it, and then we're gonna, and then they're gonna like. We're gonna like. Since it's like about to be, since it's about to be like, nighttime, we're gonna like say like, our friend to time for him to go, and then, or he says that.
And
Oh wait,
yeah.
wait, hold on. What if I say, hey, do you guys want to have a sleepover at my house? Yeah.
Yeah. And then we can come across this guy. We can come across you, the guy. You can be like walking, and then we like bump into you, and then you just say like, watch where you're going, and then you just keep walking. You know, like one of us.
Alright. Yeah, okay.
But you technically, and then you're just walking beside him, but you don't bump into us. He does.
Can I say slurs or not?
If you want.
Alright.
This movie is really just supposed to be a movie.
Alright, let's start the scene.
Howdy, motherfucker.
Okay, everyone get out the seat. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Okay,
Alright, so where?
Alright.
where
You
where-
you should start off right. Okay, right here. You're gonna like
Alright.
start walking, and then I'm gonna be looking at like one of them, like German Shepherd, because I'm gonna be talking to him, and then you're gonna just like bump into us, and then you're gonna say, "Watch where you're going," or something like
Wait,
that.
hold on.
Okay.
Should my wait? Hold on. I have a question. Should my house be stage 4 or stage 7?
Yeah. Stage 4.
No,
Yeah,
stage 7.
okay.
Stage 7. Stage 7.
Oh yeah, stage 7.
Okay.
The
guys,
guys in our house.
Let's get it.
Wait,
all
alright.
Wait, 3, 2,
Alright.
1, start. Yo, wait for me. Oh, bro, that was
Hold on.
I know, right, bro?
Alright.
We kept like crashing
Get ready.
Yeah. Yo, but watch
This
out.
backpack is
You guys
is
follow
like
him? Come on,
with
come on.
grenades or something, and I don't know.
Okay.
Alright. Hold on.
Come on.
We're gonna have fun at his house.
Yeah.
Alright.
How long is
Let's
this?
go.
Man, I'm so excited to go to your
Yeah.
house.
Watch your go.
Ow.
What? Where are you going? Wait, hold up.
Let's go.
Oh, what the? He actually brought the
Yo, what's
grenades.
Come on, we gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
I got a bird. Oh, I actually can throw far. Oh, you got a gun too? Okay. Yeah, I brought guns. Oh, you got two? I'm gonna take another one out. They said stage 7.
What's this boat?
Yep. I'm a YouTuber
Oh,
and a TikToker.
he
Hey,
took
what's up,
that
guys?
A long time ago with this run, but they all died.
Oh.
Yep.
It was
Alright.
that a
I
bear?
can't.
Yeah.
That's, oh wait, I can just do the.
Those people were
Bro.
Hey, should we go to the restaurant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm kinda-
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Something feels.
Okay, cut.
Okay.
This
okay,
next
okay.
scene, how about?
So, the
Look
scientist
up.
is gonna
Look
change
up.
outfits. You're gonna change into like a different outfit or something. Here, where's the guy at?
Up here.
Yeah, bro.
So, yo, I think that dragon is a bit of a. Okay, hold up, I'm coming up. Yo, where's the scientist at? Where's the scientist?
Run!
Yo,
Hi.
scientist. How about you're like the restaurant owner, but here, follow.
Let me do it. No, let me do it. Let me
Restaurant?
do it. Let me change my outfit. Let me change my
Bet. That scientist can go there, but like he's just not gonna talk to us. He's just gonna be like at like the most loneliest table.
Alright, like
Hold on.
I'm spying on y'all. Like I'm spying on. Where'd he go?
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Alright, I guess I am or not. I don't know. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm.
Where's the restaurant?
Where did
Ah.
you go?
I don't know. I was asking something and
Guys,
he
where's the
disappeared.
restaurant?
Oh, here he is.
Alright, so
Yeah,
am
you
I
should
going
sit over there.
Am I going to spy on y'all?
Sit
Yeah,
right here at the corner.
Alright, am I going to spy on y'all? Alright,
Yeah.
alright.
And then right here, we're gonna be over here.
Yeah, waiting for our food. One guy looking at me. He scared me looking. He was gonna kill me. Yeah. Fucking shield.
There's a shoot.
Dodge the bullets.
Wait. Yo,
Try to shoot me. Shoot the shield. Shoot the shield.
Whoa, pow, pow, pow.
I get it. Oh, there we go.
Can you revive me?
Yeah.
Can somebody revive me?
Yeah, I will.
Revive him.
I am.
Yes. Okay.
Darn.
Alright, let's start the scene.
Darn, I'm running out of bullets. Alright, guns.
Oh, here he is. There he is.
Okay.
At least I killed 2 people. At least I
Oh,
killed
that's
2
fine.
people.
Yo, that is so fine. That is so fun. Not like that. Not like that. Not like that.
Yo, he-
Not like that.
Wait, if I...
I'm killing the
It
shot.
never was a me and you. Just me and you. What would you like to order?
The stuff right here.
We haven't started the scene, bro.
So there's exactly 3. No. Actually, don't. Last time you drank it.
Dodge.
Actually, don't. Oh wait. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, hey guys.
Okay,
I
so-
didn't know that you guys were over here.
So listen, you're gonna be like the chef. He's just gonna be there.
I already
He's
have
gonna be like-
items in here. I already have items in here.
Oh, you can also bring that too. That's fine. Alright. So you can like give us our food. Hey, wait. Don't fully eat the banana chips.
Okay, when you guys do this, don't fully eat the banana chips, okay?
Both of you guys. You guys. Pug and German Shepherd. Don't fully eat the banana chips because then you're gonna turn into a banana. So actually don't. All right. That's for the scene. Okay. So you're just gonna bring our food one by one.
Yeah.
Not one by one. You're gonna bring like all of them, like in 2 hands, and place it down nicely. All right. Let's start the scene.
Okay.
Wait, Remo, you're right there. Wait, go to your spot. Go
Alright.
on over there. And then stay right there for the whole scene. We're gonna. All right. Let's start. 3, 2. Wait, get rid of the gun. 3, 2, 1. Start.
Guys,
Alright, we're
I'm
finally
so
at the
hungry.
Here. Yeah, bro.
Oh, hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Oh, nice.
What
Oh, are
would
you the chef
to
here?
Order, sir.
I would like to order. I would like to order for all of us 3 MREs and 3 hot chocolates with like. What do you guys want? Like with that. With that.
Beans.
Beans.
I'll take some banana chips and some beans. All right.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
All right.
How
How long would that take for us to get?
Like 5 minutes. Actually, no.
Alright.
Actually, no. Can we have everything on the menu? That would be good. Bet. Guys, I just got everything on the menu.
German Shepherd, you big bet.
Bro.
Isn't that alright? Well,
Isn't that? Wait, guys.
yeah. Wait, who's that?
Guys, isn't that the guy that we bumped into?
Yeah. Oh, nice. Thank you. Don't eat that yet. We want to have a nice dinner
Again?
at 2 in the morning.
Oh my.
All of us.
Copy.
Oh, give me that.
No. Whoa! What you doing? He's breaking all of them even out. All right.
Okay.
That's your hot chocolate. No, why'd you?
Hey,
you let him.
Hey, sir, I have a question. Who's that guy in the corner over there? He's like, he just came here. He just wants to sit there and hit with a newspaper. Or just keep it. Thanks.
All right.
To me.
Well, this is a really nice dinner to me. You're taking all the food.
Guys, I come here all the time, okay?
Give me that.
Hey, why you steal my food?
Guys, I come here all the time.
I'm a
They're so
big
nice.
bag. All right, that's your MRE. And your banana chips because you ordered the most.
I hate banana chips.
I hate you. I hate you, bro. I ordered 2 things and you ordered 10 the whole damn menu, bro.
Let me give this to the
Give
guy
me some
over
banana
there, alright? Give me banana chip.
Hey, you
Oh,
stole
you're
my
good.
food. You stole my
Here's your
food.
order.
You big bag.
Give me back.
Give me that. Give me that.
Give me this.
Oh, oh, this is, oh my god. Throw that away. We're not eating that. You guys ate everything on the freaking menu.
He's looking at us. That would be 9 cents.
I got it. I got it. Here's
Alright, put it in
keep
here.
the change.
Put it in here. Alright, thank you.
Alright, keep the change. Alright, come on, let's go. I'm so
Yeah.
I'm
Oh,
ah,
those MREs just kicked in, bro.
Bro, we didn't even enjoy the food. We just ate everything.
Bro, do you want? Now do you see why I go there every single day? So what are we gonna do?
Huh? Oh, just, I don't know. And they get done, I guess. And they paused the video of it. So, how was your day?
I don't know. What is that thing over there?
A shield.
So,
I'm gonna ask you something.
what is this guy?
Parker VR, I guess. Do you have YouTube videos? Yes, me too. How many YouTube channels do you have? YouTube channels.
What do you
How many?
mean? How much YouTube channels?
Like, how many channels?
I have one channel.
I have 7.
For what? Gaming, eating, sleeping.
No, they're all different. They're all about my own self. My favorite one is Devin-1516, and I make Animal Company videos and different videos. I'm about to almost hit 500
Wash your eyes.
subscribers.
Wash your eyes.
No, you need to close your eyes. Your eyes is turning red.
Stop playing Animal Company for too much.
No, that's me. Except my eyes don't turn red.
May I order some food? That.
What am I supposed to do? I don't know what I'm supposed to do anymore.
Thank you. Yeah, I think.
Alright, this next scene we're gonna
Alright. So the next scene we're gonna be like we're gonna go back to our house, me and Pug, and then German Shepherd, you're basically not gonna be in the scene, but also yeah.
Watch your move, Butterstein. Okay.
And then
Hey.
you got and then that cat is gonna
Hey, how many YouTube videos you have?
I don't have any.
I meant channel, sorry. How many YouTube channels
What?
you have? All y'all, except Cyan. How many YouTube channels y'all
What?
have?
I have
How many
0,
YouTube
but I'm
channels?
planning to make one soon.
Alright.
I'm planning to make one soon.
I'm planning to make one soon.
Y'all wanna know how many channels I have? 7.
How many channels do you have? 7 channels? What?
Yep.
Bro, that was a giant
Yeah,
rock star
guys,
right there.
we officially met. Why is the mic not working?
Hey.
Just me and you.
The mic's not working.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is. All I want for Christmas is skibbity.
Okay, this next scene we're gonna be, me and Pug are gonna like leave the house, and then we're gonna say bye to German Shepherd, and then you and the scientists are gonna like hit us with the bat or crowbar, and then you're gonna bring us somewhere.
Wait, can I be the dad that's just snoring loudly?
No, you're gonna change back into the dragon.
YouTube channels.
Remember?
Nah. No,
And
can
then
I be
your assistant's gonna like hit us, aka the dragon. That's where you are from the movie, and then you're both of you guys are gonna like bring us to like I don't know where, but like somewhere.
My favorite one is Devin-1516.
Wait, hold on. What if like I'm walking over to the house and then they also take me?
Yeah, because you like get a
Goku,
alert
go.
from your or something. You
Yeah.
just like decide to come to our house again.
Yeah.
To like ask
Yeah.
us something,
Yeah.
and but then you see us on the ground getting and then in the
I want
process
that-
you get
And then I
in the
just
process-
come follow you guys and I was like, what's going on in there?
and then the dragon like hits you with the crowbar because he sees you.
Oh.
All right, let's start
Yeah,
the
and
scene
then-
before you.
And then
get
I also get dragged over there.
Yeah. All right, come on, let's go. Let's start the scene.
All of us?
Let's go. Yeah, all of us. Come on.
Alright.
Shepard, all right, wait. You guys, wait. You and the so first kitty cat, go change your outfit, and then back to the dragon thing, and then you are gonna be like at spawn somewhere. Like once we walk by, and you see us, you're gonna, you know, hit us with the crowbar. Make sure you go by it really fast. All right, go.
Alright, I can try.
Okay, yeah, and like pretend that I'm
Alright, buy a crowbar. Do I have a crowbar? Oh, I don't know I have a crowbar. Crowbar. Alright. Alright, buy a crowbar. Alright, buy a crowbar.
That's just my like someone breaks it. I don't know why. But ever since that incident happened, I made, you know, that be it. Alright.
Is that the guy from the restaurant? Yo! Ow! Oh!
Hey, what's going on out here? Hey! Ow! Ow! Is that you?
Where are y'all?
Oh.
Is that you? Alright, cut the scene.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next scene.
You
Wait,
never
actually,
said
you
how
guys
many
got
times I
my
had to hit you, so I just going back and forth to different people because you never said how many times.
Okay,
I just like bam. Yeah, I went like you.
You the whole time.
Was he stage? Yeah.
You already knocked us out, but alright, come on, let's go. So the place should be. Where do you guys? I think
I was supposed to hit you with the crowbar.
I already hit them, so I already hit
Okay,
them.
the scene should be.
I juked him out the first time that I got there.
The office. No, wait, the cave.
The cave.
Here, I know
We
where the
earn
cave
for
is.
the mines.
Okay,
We earn
you
for the
guys
mines.
have glow sticks or something. Wait, why are you getting? Oh.
Horse thing. Kinda.
Okay, you guys are gonna have guns, but don't use it to kill us. You guys are gonna.
Wait, guys, I got a light.
Bro, stop eating broccolis.
Wait, I got a light.
Don't kill us with it though. Don't kill us with it.
Oh, okay.
Wait, plug.
Follow me.
I have a light. I have a light. See?
They already have one. Alright,
So where are we going?
The cave is like somewhere. So I know where the cave is. It's like in just follow. Hold up. Yeah, it's over there.
Here. Okay, this is like so we can't get out of the cave at all, cause then well actually we can, but we can't show like the we can't show the like lobby because that's where we live. That's so easy to get out. Hot spot. Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
It's my undies, bro. It's my undies.
Ow! Jeez, you blinded me. Alright guys, come on. Get in here. Turn the mega flashlight off. We don't need that. Alright, we're gonna be knocked out. Stop it. Wait, throw that one away. Alright. Let me just grab this and like demolish it. Oh, hold up. Alright, come on.
Let's do the tree.
Okay, B, Pug, and German Shepherd are gonna be knocked out. You guys are gonna be in front of us waiting for us to like wake up. Just like have the glow sticks floating around or something.
Okay.
But you guys can hold them.
Oh.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Hold on. My glow stick ran away. Come here, glow stick.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's morning?
Yo,
guys, the guns are loaded.
Yo,
Robert, why are you always the last one to wake up?
Who are you guys?
Is that the guy from the restaurant and the guy we bumped into?
Yeah.
And who is this?
Oh, I'm not. No, I recognize that guy.
What do you want from us?
Your ball sack.
What?
Bro, why? Are you trying to kill us or what? I don't know what.
Hey, can we have some time to talk, please? Should they?
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Come on, Pug! Get over here!
Sorry.
Is it over there? Alright, okay.
Hey, where you going?
Stop moving!
Oh!
Oh.
I got the last one. I got the last
You
one.
messed up the scene. No, hold on. You guys messed up the scene.
Wait, No!
No, we didn't.
You! Stop moving.
What?
Okay, Oh, crap! No! Darn. Oh.
Guys, I have to get.
I got it.
Wait, if the flashlight is floating, if we like throw it and then grab it in midair, we will just fly. Oh my god.
Go grab 2 rockets.
I don't have a rocket. I never achieved one. Oh, thanks.
I need rockets as well. Can you
And
give me those?
put that grappler somewhere. You don't need the glow stick anymore because we're going somewhere where it's light. Grab it quickly. Okay, I'm gonna go get my rockets, alright?
Alright, so what are you doing? I
need a
already-
hook.
You guys basically kind of want to like, here, let me think.
This is so slow.
So you guys like capture people to like,
Hold up.
so Dragon was like one of the people who got captured by you, and he could be.
Can someone give me a Hulk fist? Can someone give me a Hulk fist?
Why do you need a whole fit? Take 2 rockets, cause you're gonna need. All right,
I need
follow
a
me.
Hulk
Follow me.
fist to
Follow me.
use. And hold up, let me eat my
No, that's not how we're using the whole. That's not how we're using them.
Cardi.
Whee!
Okay, so
right behind you.
use the rockets, right? So the spy is on top of the dam. All right. All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, what are we doing? Wait, what are we doing? Oh, okay. Yeah, I take my time to do it. And I do one at a time, and then I did another one, and I made it up here first try.
Oh yeah, I did the same
Okay,
thing.
the
but
pug. Let's just say the pug is in the water, right there. Is he swimming towards us? Hold up. Yeah, no, yeah. He almost made me come in the water. Okay, we're gonna start this. So, what you guys capture people, and you and like you're gonna tell us like about you capturing Dragon, which is him, and him turning into the assistant.
Where's the scene where
But what the
German
that,
Shepherd
what
dies?
are you two? Oh yeah, let's just say they threw him to the lake, and you know.
I'm gonna drill to the floor. You wanna see? I'm gonna drill to the floor.
Oh, I can't
Yo,
do it.
where'd the plug go? Where'd the plug go? Plug, where'd you go?
I'm
¿Qué
drilling
estás
to the floor.
haciendo? Okay, the scene is gonna start with you guys, like walking towards us, and then you're gonna.
Yo, I almost
and
just
then
fell. I almost just fell under the ground. Oh.
So basically, you guys. So you're gonna tell us what you guys do,
Nope.
and then you're gonna, and then like you guys steal people and make them into your assistants, and then once you get enough, you're gonna destroy the world with like your big brain, because you have a big brain and you're evil, all that stuff.
I have a small brain.
Okay, where'd the Pug go again? Pug,
Oh, he's
where'd he go?
building up. No,
Pug, why did you fall?
he's up here. He's up here.
Oh, okay, let's start the scene.
Why you
Three,
keep falling?
3, 2, 1, start.
Alright, sorry, my game froze for a second.
Now! Wake up! Oh, my head so hurt. Where are we?
I don't know.
Hey, where did German Shepherd go?
Where did he go? Is that the guy from the restaurant? Wait, why'd he capture us?
Look, we're on top.
They seriously brought us on top of the dam?
Vanished.
That's our home all the way over there!
That's right.
Let's try to make a run for it. Come on, we gotta go. Run.
meatball.
I don't have a gun, so.
Meatball.
I got a crowbar still.
Oh my god.
Alright, you got that guy. I got
Why am I
this
saying
guy.
no? I'm glad he's gone.
Whatever he went. And there he is. There he is. He's right there.
What did you do? What did you do? Where's
Actually,
the
he
other
just
guy?
fell
Where's
down.
Robert? No!
He jumped off. No,
Ow!
you,
Ow! No, wait, don't kill me yet! Don't kill me yet! Tell me, why did you
Jump
capture
off.
me?
because I'm turning y'all into my.
Robert?
Hey, you shush. No, get off. Get off.
Robert, how'd you get back up? You can't even swim.
I don't know.
Hey, Robert, listen. Robert!
I make coffee. I'm saving him.
Come on!
Long live the king. Oh, darn.
Robert!
Long live the king.
Ah!
Long live the king.
No, no.
Yeah, you better get back in that water. Long live the king. Oh, I almost fell. Wait, two people's getting up real fast. Long live the Long live the
Robert, you got it! Robert, get back up! Come on! I'll push you in then! Ow! Ow!
surprise!
Ah! Ow! Ah! Robert, follow me! Robert, follow me! Listen, this is risky,
No.
but we're gonna have to jump. Go! No!
Go in there.
Why is he so fast?
Where's the other guy?
Fuck for us to escape though. No way. No. I'm going. Ah! Not again. I'm just gonna swim away. I have an idea. The rocket. Ah! I need to climb. Don't look back. Where'd it go?
Ah!
No!
It's going to the.
I tried to trap him in the rocket. Follow me!
I don't trust that.
Oh!
Oh boy!
Robert! Robert!
Where did he go already? Nah, no way I just lost him that fast. Bruh. Oh wait, he probably went over here. There you are!
Yo, Robert, come back to spawn.
Shabam!
How come you're not talking?
Huh? Shabam?
Robert, come back to spawn.
Shabam. Is the video over?